Hi, my name's Phil Wilson and I lead the Nextiv group within Europe. The Nextivs are video measuring systems that we use for measuring lots of components. Primarily we use them in the semiconductor, electronics and automotive industries. The VMA system we have here is primarily used for low magnification applications such as rubber components, flat components or basic electronics, some molded components, and we can basically use that for video measurement as its primary purpose, but also we can add touch probes such as the Renishaw TP20. The other machine that we have is a VNZ S3020, and that is much more magnified, and we would use that for semiconductor, electronics, automotive components where precision is absolutely critical. The other system that we're supplying is a confocal system, and that is primarily aimed at the semiconductor market, where we're looking at bump heights, we're looking at tracks, we're looking at probe cards, all sorts of different applications, and we marry that system quite often to a wafer handling system, and therefore we can handle and supply a full solution to our customers.